is this glowing serum?
Welcome to Cottonbyte. In this episode, we're doing a bit of an exploration into LTX's extended features. As you know, closed-source models are kind of leading the pack right now, so some of the fancy stuff you see in models like Seedance and Grok, like multi-image referencing, are still missing in LTX 2.3, which only supports first frame plus last frame or multiple frames. So this video is basically my attempt to figure out how to mimic those closed-source multi-image features. I've already uploaded the workflow to Runninghub, and since Runninghub updates new nodes pretty quickly, you can play with a lot of fresh workflows there. Give it a try. The logic behind this workflow is pretty simple. It's adapted from the LTX multi-frame video generation workflow, and the changes are fairly straightforward, mainly about controlling the weights of multiple images. I set each image's weight to 1, and the index frames go 0, 1, 2, and so on. In theory, you could use many reference images, but the more images you throw in, the worse the consistency gets. So I kept it to just 3 image and 4 image references. For the 3 image version, I used Prompt Relay's Smart Node. For the 4 image version, I used a manual node. I've explained the specifics, global prompts versus segmented prompts, in previous videos, so you can check those out. Now, the test results did show a decent level of consistency. I also added a new LTX Lora called OmniNFT into the workflow. According to the official description, it's supposed to significantly improve lip sync accuracy, video quality, audio quality, and motion smoothness while keeping dialogue in sync. But honestly, to me, it just makes the characters look prettier. As you can see in this example, without the Lora, because the reference image was a half-body shot, the elf's body ended up really stumpy in the video, and there was even an extra deer running around. After adding the Lora, even in wide shots where you don't see the elf's full body, you can still tell the proportions are way better, and no random deer jumping about. So I think this Lora definitely helps with both aesthetics and prompt adherence. These are just some quick tests I ran. That said, Prompt Relay doesn't control fine details or motion, as well as single image generation does, and the audio isn't super stable either. Feel free to play around with it, but I wouldn't recommend using this workflow for actual production projects. If you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe and give it a like. It really means a lot to a new creator like me. See you!